Emma, I tried to compliment my coworker today. I said, "Hey, Jenny, you're looking very old."
Jake, what? You told her she looks old?
Yeah, I meant she looks, mature? Sophisticated? Wait, that's wrong, isn't it?
Very wrong. You probably wanted to say she looks elegant or stylish.
Oh no, she gave me such a weird look.
That's exactly why we need today's episode. If you want to sound natural when talking about people's appearance in English without offending anyone, hit that subscribe button right now.
We post fun English lessons every week to help you talk smart.
Let's learn how to describe people properly. All right, Jake, let's start with the basics. When you want to describe someone's overall appearance, what do you usually say?
She's pretty? He's handsome?
Good start. Those are safe. But there are so many better, more natural ways. Let me teach you some phrases. First, the easiest compliment. You look great today.
That's simple.
You can also say, you look nice, you look amazing, or you look fantastic. It's friendly and positive.
So not, you look old.
Definitely not, unless you want enemies. You can also say, you're looking sharp today. That means someone looks stylish and put together.
Emma, you're looking sharp today.
Thank you! That's perfect. Sharp is great for professional or dressy occasions.
What if someone's wearing nice clothes?
You say, I love your outfit. Very natural and friendly.
I love your outfit. That's easy to remember.
Now let's talk about height. Jake, how tall are you?
I'm average? Medium?
We don't say medium height like we're ordering coffee. We say, I'm average height or I'm about average.
Oh, so what about tall people?
You can say he's tall or she's really tall. If someone is very tall, you might say he's quite tall or she's got height.
And short people?
Be careful here. Short can sound a bit direct. You can say he's not very tall or she's petite. Petite sounds more polite, especially for women.
My friend is petite, but very strong.
Perfect. You can also describe body type. He's athletic or she's slim or he's well built.
What about bigger people?
Be very polite. You might say he has a larger build or avoid describing size and focus on style instead. He dresses really well.
English is so diplomatic.
Okay, what about hair? I always mess this up.
Let's practice. First, length. She has long hair or he has short hair. Easy, right?
Yeah, what about texture?
Great question. She has curly hair or he has straight hair. You can also say she's got wavy hair between straight and curly.
My sister has long, wavy hair.
Beautiful. Now color. She has blonde hair or he has dark hair or she's got red hair.
Wait, I always say she is blonde or he is brunette.
That works too. She's blonde or she's a blonde. Both are fine. But if you're describing the hair specifically, say she has blonde hair.
What about bald people?
Just say he's bald. It's not rude, it's just factual. Or you can say he shaves his head.
My uncle is very bald? Wait, very bald?
Just bald is enough. You can't be very bald. Let's talk about faces. This gets specific.
Okay, I'm nervous now.
Don't be. Start simple. She has a round face or he has a long face.
What about eyes?
Good. She has beautiful eyes or he's got blue eyes or she has big brown eyes.
Can I say she's got small eyes?
Technically, yes, but be careful, it might sound negative. Better to focus on positive features, like she has lovely eyes or his eyes are striking.
What's the striking mean?
It means very noticeable and attractive. Like, she has striking green eyes that catch your attention.
Ooh, fancy. What about noses and mouths?
Usually, we don't describe those unless they're very distinctive. You might say he has a strong jawline or she has high cheekbones. Those are compliments.
So many details.
Let's talk style. This is safer than describing bodies.
Finally, something I can't mess up.
You'd be surprised. If someone dresses well, say, she has great style or he's very fashionable.
What if they're wearing something specific?
You can compliment directly. I love that dress, or those shoes are awesome, or that jacket looks great on you.
Practicing. Emma, I love that shirt. Where did you get it?
Perfect, natural and friendly. You can also say, you're rocking that outfit. Means you look amazing in it.
Rocking? Like music?
It's slang. Means you wear it really well. Like, she's rocking those sunglasses.
I'm rocking this podcast.
You definitely are. Sometimes you want to give an overall impression without being too specific.
Like what?
You can say she's good looking or he's attractive. Both are polite and general.
What about cute?
Cute usually means adorable or charming, great for babies, animals, or someone with a sweet look. You can say, that couple is so cute together.
Can I say someone is hot?
Carefully. Hot is very casual and can be a bit forward. It means sexually attractive. Only use it with close friends in informal situations.
Okay, I'll stick with good looking.
Smart choice. You can also say she's elegant or he looks distinguished. Both are sophisticated compliments.
Distinguished? That sounds fancy.
It means someone looks dignified and impressive, usually for older people who look refined.
How do I talk about age without being rude?
Very carefully. First rule, never say someone looks old unless you want trouble.
I learned that today.
You can say she looks young for her age or he's aging gracefully. Both are compliments.
What about young people?
You can say she looks youthful or he has a baby face, means he looks younger than his age.
My friend is 30, but looks 20.
You'd say he has a baby face or he looks really young.
What if I don't know their age?
Then don't guess. You can say, you look great. That works for any age.
Safe and smart.
Jake, let's review what not to say.
Uh-oh.
Never say, you look tired. Sounds like they look bad.
Even if they do look tired?
Especially then. Say nothing or ask, are you feeling okay?
What else?
Don't say, you've gained weight or you've lost weight. Both are too personal, even if you think it's a compliment.
So just don't comment on weight?
Exactly. Focus on clothing or style instead. That color looks great on you.
What about you look different?
That can sound negative. If someone changed their hair, say, I love your new haircut. Be specific and positive.
So many rules.
Just remember, be specific with compliments, general with criticism, or better yet, no criticism at all. And there you have it, how to naturally talk about appearance in English.
I learned so much. From now on, I'll say, you look great instead of, you look old.
Please do. Remember, everyone, when describing people,
Be specific with compliments. I love your jacket, not just, you look nice.
be polite with physical descriptions. Focus on style, not size.
And never comment on weight or age unless you want awkward silence.
Exactly. The key is to be positive, specific, and respectful.
And if you're unsure, just say, you look great today. It works every time.
Perfect advice. So, next time you describe someone, use these natural English phrases.
Thanks for learning with us today.
And don't forget to like this video, share it with your English learning friends, and subscribe to the Talk Smart podcast.
We're here every week with fun English lessons.
See you next time.
Don't just learn English, talk smart.